What if you could witness thousands of Snickers bars being created every single hour with flawless precision, from raw peanuts and caramel to the chocolate bar you love? Today, we're taking you inside one of the most advanced chocolate production systems in the world. Welcome to Process Insight, where we uncover the most fascinating, advanced, and satisfying manufacturing processes from around the globe. In today's episode, we step inside the incredible Snickers factory to reveal how one of the world's most iconic chocolate bars is made on a massive industrial scale. From carefully selected ingredients to high-speed production lines, every step is a perfect combination of science, engineering, and precision. The journey of a Snickers bar begins long before the production line starts. It starts with high-quality ingredients: roasted peanuts, creamy caramel, soft nougat, and rich milk chocolate. The peanuts are carefully selected and roasted at controlled temperatures to enhance their flavor and crunch. At the same time, other stations prepare the nougat base by mixing sugar, egg whites, and other essential components to achieve the perfect fluffy texture. Every ingredient is prepared under strict quality control standards to ensure consistency in every single bar. Once the nougat mixture is ready, it is poured onto long conveyor belts where it begins to set. This soft layer forms the foundation of the Snickers bar. Industrial machines continuously monitor thickness, temperature, and texture to ensure every sheet of nougat is identical. Precision is everything here. Even a slight variation can affect the final product quality.
Next comes the signature layer, caramel blended with crunchy roasted peanuts. This mixture is carefully spread over the nougat base. The caramel must be at the perfect temperature, not too hot, not too cold, to maintain smooth flow and proper bonding with the nougat layer. Roasted peanuts are evenly distributed to ensure every bite delivers that classic Snickers crunch. This combination is what gives Snickers its iconic taste and texture. After layering, the giant chocolate sheet moves into long cooling tunnels. Here, the temperature is precisely controlled to allow the caramel and nougat to set properly. These cooling tunnels can stretch for dozens of meters, ensuring slow and even solidification. This step is crucial. It locks in the structure of the bar before cutting begins. Once fully set, the massive chocolate sheet is transferred to high-speed cutting machines. Laser-guided blades slice the sheet into perfectly sized bars with extreme accuracy. Thousands of Snickers bars are cut every minute, all identical in shape and weight. Any imperfect piece is automatically rejected by quality sensors. Nothing less than perfection leaves this stage. Now comes the final layer, the smooth milk chocolate coating. Each bar passes through a chocolate enrobing machine that fully coats it in a rich layer of melted chocolate. Air blowers remove excess coating to maintain the perfect thickness. Then the bars pass through another cooling tunnel where the chocolate hardens instantly, giving Snickers its signature glossy finish.
Once the bars are fully set, they move to the packaging section. High-speed robotic arms wrap each Snickers bar individually in its iconic wrapper. Machines fold, seal, and label each bar in milliseconds. After packaging, the bars are grouped into boxes, prepared for shipping across the world. Every step is fully automated, ensuring speed, hygiene, and consistency. Before leaving the factory, every batch goes through strict quality control checks. Weight sensors, visual scanners, and random sampling tests ensure each bar meets global standards. Only perfect products are approved for distribution. This is what makes Snickers one of the most trusted chocolate brands in the world. From raw ingredients to perfectly wrapped chocolate bars, the journey of a Snickers is a masterpiece of modern food engineering. What looks simple on the outside is actually the result of highly advanced machines, precision systems, and decades of innovation. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Process Insight, and stay tuned for more incredible manufacturing journeys from around the world. Because every product has a story, and we bring it to life.